Today I have for you this frosted window cling. And what this does is it gives you privacy in your windows. Really great if you're a renter because this just goes on with water, peels right off. It's reusable. Love that. But this is the design that I have here, and I just installed it right here on my window. Looks absolutely beautiful. They do give you all the tools, including the water bottle. You're going to want to spray a lot of water on that. And then you use this tool to even everything out and get all your lines out, and it works out perfect. Let's watch the demo. You're going to love it. Here I am showing you the tools that are provided with the cling. Sprayed down the window, remove the backing. Now let's apply. So I started at the top, pulled it down tight to the bottom, and now you'll see as I will just work around the cling and smooth out any air bubbles and wrinkles. This is a large window, so it did take me a little bit of time, but really not difficult at all. And I just keep smoothing till I get the desired look, and I am nearly done. It's looking beautiful. So super easy, beautiful install, great if you want to reuse, if you're a renter, homeowner, whatever. Really provides nice privacy, but lets you still have light in. I love it.